Hello and welcome to Ben Academy. In today's video, I'll show you how to use a clever Excel custom number format to automatically display good stack, low stack, or a warning symbol based on the value in a cell. But before diving into the details of this tutorial, if you like such content and want to see similar videos, please subscribe to our channel. Now let's get started. Suppose this table contains the values for some stocks. Select your stock cells like this, press Ctrl 1 and go to Format Cells window. And if you go to Custom Part, you can type something here as custom formatting. If you type this exactly, that is available in the description and you can copy it and press OK. You can see that the values are not shown anymore, but the status is shown here. You can see that something is good stack, something's low stack, and some of the stocks shows error instead of the value. But the interesting part is that if you go to formula bar, you can still see the content of those stocks, but the value is not shown here and something symbolic is shown to you instead. You can see here it's 5,000, but it shows you good stock. The next cell is 150, but it shows you low stock. And here is 425, but it shows you an error. Now let's break it down. If you go again to Ctrl 1 window, you can see the same formula I wrote. The first part, this part says if the value is more than 1,000, change the color to green and write good stock with this symbol. But the second part is red if it's less than 200 with a text like low stock and a symbol to show that it's not good. And the last part handles everything in between and displays a warning symbol. So let's go back. The point here is that if the cell contains a text or anything, it doesn't show you the symbols I defined because it's works for only the numbers, values, and it checks the ranges and shows you the symbol, related symbol according to the formula I wrote. And you can also change the threshold to match your own inventory requirements. And that's how you can use a simple custom number format to turn ordinary stock numbers into clear visual indicators. If you found this trick useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Ben Academy, and stay tuned for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.